Welcome to Flash Film Academy, your bridge from the ordinary 9 to 5 to the extraordinary world of modern content creation. I'm Ty Turner, a seasoned Army combat photographer and the owner of one of Texas's most trusted production companies. At Flash Film Academy, we're focused on providing photographers, videographers, and filmmakers with the tools and insights required to move from regular employment to successfully managing their own profitable business. Our partnership with Vimeo addresses any doubt about the benefits of joining Flash Film Academy, setting us apart in this industry. They chose us to develop training content to help their users understand and excel in the business of video production. That's a clear indicator of the high caliber and practical relevance of our training. This endorsement is a testament to the invaluable knowledge you will acquire here as a member. The Gold Plus membership at Flash Film Academy is more than education. It's a direct path to growing your business. It's designed to navigate you from B2C to B2B, teaching you how to secure projects with Fortune 500 clients and providing solutions to real client challenges, well beyond the basics of camera technology. Our proven training has already launched many into successful, profitable business owners. Don't just take my word for it. There's a whole section on our website of testimonials from real Gold members. In a world rapidly evolving with AI and new technologies, many creatives fear being left behind. At Flash Film Academy, we're at the forefront of integrating AI into content creation. Our courses empower you to use AI and modern tools, elevating your brand to unmatched levels of creativity, efficiency, and profitability. So are you ready to transform what you love to do into a profitable business, or do you want to keep falling for the new gear trap? It's time to upgrade this. Enroll in Flash Film Academy today and begin your transition to being a creative, business-smart content creator. Every business around you needs content every single day. Why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, join Flash Film Academy. Download the app today.